guys, dito na kami. Kita naman tayo banda. So yun ang ano doon guys. Hali na kayo! Guys. Yan guys, magaliwala lang yung init. So a day in my life as a single mom. Guys. Yan dito guys. That's really amazing guys, fresh air. As you can see.
Balik naman tayo, mabalik naman tayo. Balik lang tayo.
Sige, sige, balik lang. So, very, guys, very hot. But it's worth it. That's, I feel like very amazing, guys. Yeah. Okay. Bishi. Doon, Bishi. Yan, Crystal Cave, the 4 girls.
The sun is over na. Very hot now already. Very cold.
Where pa we go?
Where we going, guys?
We go back na?
Going there. Ah, sinyo inita ba oy?
Going
Then, uli isang buwan nga pagtong na guys.
Going back na tayo, Bishi.
Oy, guys, going back.
Ah. Guys, saan mapunta natin sila? Bumalik na. Guys. So this way, it says that this way is to Baywatch. Ay, naku guys. So here. Thank you so much, Bishi, for this moment with Bishi and the 2 sisters, guys. So, very, guys.
Dito ka nagagin mo?
Ayan, so, kami ay papunta pa, and then ang iba pa, balik na din sila.
Picture ako. Picture mo daw ako dyan din.
I'm doing I'm doing Mama Joy, not padan. So, sana sila. Dito pa?
Dito po.
Cave 2 pa daw, guys.
Pareho lang ba?